So after you have your IEP team meeting, the school district has to give you a written response or a written offer of FAPE. Once you have the written offer of FAPE, you have a reasonable amount of time to reply to the offer. So FAPE stands for Free Appropriate Public Education, FAPE. So once you have the written document and you look over what's been offered, there's a couple things we really look for. Is the written offer of FAPE consistent with what was discussed at the IEP team meeting? Is there anything left out of the IEP document that was discussed or offered at the meeting? If so, you can contact your school district administrator, or sometimes the classroom teacher has been assigned as a case manager, and you can tell them you think that something maybe has been inadvertently left out or hasn't been documented accurately based upon the discussion of the meeting. If the written document does accurately reflect the meeting and there's just really a disagreement over what is an appropriate public education, then you have a couple options. And one option is to do a partial consent. So in California, the law allows parents to respond consenting to some parts of the IEP and not consenting to the other parts that are in disagreement. If you do that, the school district's responsibility then is to immediately begin implementing all the parts that you consent to. But one important thing to note about this option is that the school district also in California has an affirmative obligation to file for due process if they believe that any of the portions you have not consented to are a component of the FAPE offer.